If you've got leather, this kit is for you. Whether it's a scuffed up boot, a worn wallet, or your favorite leather jacket, this all in one leather care kit handles everything. Inside, you get everything you need for 3 essential jobs: cleaning, repairing, and waterproofing. Start with the cleaner to wipe away dirt and grime fast and easy. Then you restore color and texture with the repair cream. Minor scratches and wear gone. And then finish with the waterproofing treatment. Rain, spills, no problem. And it's not just for shoes. This kit works wonders on leather couches, wallets, bags, you name it. Keep all your leather looking fresh, smooth, and protected. Before, after. One kit, total leather care.